Say hello to a new level of comfort and accuracy with the Accumax FAB LF Pipette. So I'd like to introduce to the FAB LF Pipette that is specially designed pipette that reduces the hand stress and fatigue for lab professionals. It's lightweight and it enables effortless pipetting throughout the lab process. Now my colleague will talk about this in more detail and will show you a demonstration of how this pipette works.
Introducing more about this pipette, FAB LF. As the name says, LF, low force pipette, which are made specifically for the less force requirements. So this pipette eventually takes 85% of less force. There's no requirement of banging or tapping this pipette to the tip. Here's how I will show you. So I have taken 1000 microliter pipette and I am going for attachment of tip. As you can see, I have just connected the tip without any force. There's no tapping done or no banging done, and here is the tip fitment, which is assured leak-proof fitment. Second important point is the lowest ejection force. So as we say, low force pipette, when we eject the tip, you don't require the highest of the force which is required in the traditional pipettes. When I was taking a tip to the pipette, there was very less force requirement. It goes the same when you eject the tip, right? So you can see just with a simple click I am able to eject it. So your thumb force which is required for ejection of tip is very less. Because of the low ejection force, I will be able to avoid repetitive stress injuries which happen usually on the thumb, as well as the carpal tunnel syndrome, which also is one of the disease which happen with the frequent pipetting if you apply a lot of force. Last point is the magnet assistant piston. As you can see, when I am applying the force, plunging force, there's a magnet inside which is used for consistently precise results. As we say, low force pipette, what we mean is it offers one of the lowest force requirement of plunger as well as the ejector. I'll demonstrate a few examples comparing FAB LF pipette with other pipettes, wherein you can see the force requirements is how less it is. So I am taking another pipette which is of the same volume, and you can see over here, even if I am applying the proper force at both the sides, still the plunger of FAB LF pipette is going in. So that demonstrates that the force requirement of this pipette is very low. Again, the same thing if I take another pipette of the same volume and I do the same thing, here too you can see the plunger of FAB LF pipette gets pressed. That means there is low force requirement. Even if I change my hands, it's the same. That's why we claim it is one of the lowest force pipette available in the market.
So if you want to book one of these as a free sample, fill up the form on my right and our colleagues will get in touch with you for more details.